Hi, it's Hajreset, and today I'll show you how to sign in to Google account on Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So first go into the settings, then click this icon right here in the top right corner. Then sign in, type in your email address and password, then click continue or continue with Google, agree and continue, and choose your account. Then right here we have our account, Nothing Community, that you can enable, open, you can sign out, and that's it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.